In my last video, y'all, I made the butternut squash and black bean chili. And this is the newest issue of Cooking with Paula Deen magazine. And this is what our chili is going to look like. And I'll definitely be serving it with a dollop of sour cream and possibly cilantro. A lot of people don't like cilantro, so I might leave that up to the individual. But I told you that I recommended you serving this chili with cornbread. So I am going to make an herbed cornbread to go along with that chili. And over here, I've got my cast iron pan getting a little warm, because I kind of like to start my cornbread off in a hot pan. Normally, I will take this pan, put it on over the fire for a few minutes, and then move it to the oven and get that pan nice and hot. So when I pour in the cornbread, it'll get that crusty bottom to it, which is what I love. So I'm going to start by putting my cornmeal mix, and I do use a cornmeal mix. You shouldn't have any trouble finding that at your grocery store. And I'm adding my self-rising flour. I'm adding my thyme, and marjoram is getting kind of hard to find, so I'm substituting sage for my marjoram. Okay. So now I'm going to add my eggs, my butter, and my milk together. All right, last thing going in is my sugar, teaspoon of sugar. All right. I'm just going to give that a couple of stirs with my whisk. And now I'm gonna mix my eggs and butter together. And then I'm going to add my milk to that. And the bowl's full, y'all. Okay. So I'm going to add my liquid to my dry. And you don't want to overmix this. You want to just stir it until everything's moistened in it. Okay, so hopefully we'll have some sizzle. We got some sizzle. We got some sizzle, y'all. Now we're going to put this in the oven at 425, and we're going to cook it for 20 to 25 minutes. And if you don't have a cast iron frying pan that's the right size to cook your cornbread in, you can use like a 9x9. All right, I made that wonderful herb cornbread, to go with that pot of squash and black bean chili. And I suggested that you serve it with cornbread. And we chose an herbed cornbread to serve along with our chili. I do love me some cornbread and butter. Yum. Now, so good. Now, in my oven, this cooked in about 20 minutes. But in someone else's oven, may take 25 minutes. So this is going to be wonderful with our chili. Mm, it's delicious. So I would highly recommend using this recipe to go along with our black bean and squash soup. Loving best dishes, y'all. Mm, 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 mm. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.